What does it mean with regard to avalanches? IPCC states a substantial change in the precipitation regime, more than 10% increase in precipitation in winter as a mean value, and an increasing number of heavy precipitation periods in wintertime. These heavy snow precipitation periods are more often to occur. For example, a 15 years return period event nowadays will occur in future every 3 to 8 years. That means 3 to 5 times as compared to today. And looking at Switzerland in particular, every third or 1 of 3 heavy precipitation periods leads to an excessive avalanche situation, like, for example, the one we had in 1999 all over Europe. That means that if we have a return period today of, let's say, 40 years, a heavy precipitation period in future might occur every 10 to 15 years. So heavy avalanche situations are certainly more often to occur in the future. And what is important to know that, for example, Switzerland, 70% of the topography is mountainous, and that also means that if you have avalanche situations, most of our country will be touched by avalanches, also endangering highways going from Germany to Italy, like the one at the Gotthard you can see here. Avalanches, of course, also mean that access to winter destinations may become more difficult. The average duration of stay of winter tourists in destinations in Switzerland is less than 3 days as an average. And taking just a few conclusions is that the shift of these 2 to probably 3 degrees may shift the snow line for 300 meters and more. The increase in winter precipitation will lead to an increase in snow cover accumulation in higher altitudes, and there will be certainly some adaptation strategies necessary. The problem we have in mountainous regions like the European Alps is that all north faces are already exploited, and we have just limited height available in our mountains. And of course, the other conclusions are that the increase in these high-intensity precipitation situations may lead to an increase in critical avalanche situations. Nowadays, we are focusing more on organizational measures like road closings, evacuation procedures, and if now these events are probably more frequently to occur, the acceptance by the public may decrease and ask for additional, for example, costly technical measures in the mountains.